I think I just found the coolest keyboard, with calculator function, own speaker and sound while typing, and has dual LCD screen. This is the Skyloong GK104 Pro. This set comes with everything you might need like accessories, extra switches, and even a stabilizer that you can put or change to the spacebar and some extra keycaps. This keyboard comes with different colors, like this white or pink, gradient black, gradient red, red gray white and beige gray green. This keyboard can be used wired or wireless and has a tri-mode connectivity option. This keyboard is even compatible with almost all of your devices. So if you're interested in owning one, I added the link on the yellow basket on the bottom right corner of this video.